Hi everyone, it's Hope Yoder with a Fall 2019 Craft and Cut update. This is just a simple change that is gonna make designing your masterpiece in Craft and Cut so much easier. If we were going to use one of the custom shapes, so I can left click and let's just click on this letter A, and as I'm designing it, you can see right now that I have the millimeters and the inches. You guys, this is brand new. So I can design this with the inches and millimeters showing up on the screen. I think that's pretty cool. And if I was going to come in to here, and let's just get a different color and draw, as I'm drawing, see what happens? Same thing. I have the millimeters and the inches designed in one screen. So that's a brand new feature. It's going to help you guys as you're drawing. So for instance, if you wanted a rectangle and you know that you wanted it to be, about 4 inches long, I can just drag right there and get it to 4 inches. Now also, as you may or may not know, you can come under the properties window, click on transform, and I can go into inches. Let's see, let's just select this one, and I'm exactly at 4. So for instance, if I was designing this and I just couldn't have my hand as steady as I wanted and I couldn't quite get it to 4, you can then come into the properties window and deselect maintain aspect ratio and just simply make this 4. And then remember, you must click on apply. And there you go. This will help you as you're drawing and designing features to know that you no longer have to stop and select it. Right in real time, you're going to see the dimensions in millimeter and inches. That's an awesome update.